how did you first learn about Abhyas Law Program?
So after not getting CLAT 2019, one of my friend has recommended me Abhyas Law Prep so that I could build some skills and be more prepared for the next CLAT.
What benefits or features made you choose ALP?
Of course, the mocks, sectional tests, and the faculty. So we used to have classes from Monday to Friday. So yeah.
Is there a person from ALP team you would specifically like to talk about?
Yeah, it's Venkatesh sir, I guess, because he used to coordinate between faculties and he actually gives his best what we ask, like material or the faculty or the classes, everything.
Did you get any guidance and tips at ALP to help you while attempting CLAT 2020? If so, did they contribute to your performance?
Yes, there was a guidance from Naresh sir, and he used to take all the strategic sessions on Facebook and etc. And all the current affairs sessions were very helpful in the recent changes of the pattern.
Did ALP help you understand and assess the CLAT syllabus to help you with your preparation strategy?
So Naresh sir has took a CLAT 2020 decoding session after the pattern has changed, and we got the mocks early. By December, I guess, we wrote the first changed pattern of CLAT. So from there onwards, we used to write mocks and get doubts clarified, and that's it.
Did the classes prepare you to deal with new or unfamiliar questions?
So we got a whole range of questions of different caselets and etc. And in quantitative techniques, we got 2 sessions on how to solve the unfamiliar questions itself, and it was very useful at the time. And the mocks, of course, we used to get different aspects of a question in legal reasoning and the other subjects as well.
Did the ALP team take any steps to assess your personal aptitude and provide you guidance according to that?
Yeah, we used to get good sessions and mini mock tests in class. So ALP used to take different sessions on reasoning and the different caselets in reasoning to make us comfortable.
Did you find the mocks helpful with regard to the new pattern?
So ALP has provided us many mocks after the pattern has changed. We used to get a mock analysis sessions where we decode all the questions, and it made us to improve for the next mocks and prepare well for the next weekend mocks.
Share your views on the teaching or delivery style followed at ALP.
We used to get many activities in class, like if we don't agree with the point with the teacher, we can debate with the teacher, and it was the pedagogy of teaching in ALP was good, and it was really helpful in our preparation.
Do you feel that the study material provided to you at ALP was relevant to the scope of CLAT 2020?
Yeah, it is relevant. We used to get a good practice tests, and we used to get practice sheets, and in the final days we got practice books itself, where we can practice a whole lot of questions, which made us to do well in mocks.
How did the lockdown affect you personally?
So after the lockdown, I was just hoping that the institution will open soon, because I thought the exam will conduct in May, but it did not happen. So after I thought the situation was out of control everywhere in the world, I thought it is time we should self-study and get improved. We got the virtual sessions from ALP after 2 weeks of the lockdown, which was very quick, and we just started well after the lockdown, and it just continued till the CLAT date.
Did you find any differences between online preparation and physical classes?
Yeah, there was a lot of difference between online and offline classes, but because of the doubt clearing sessions and the groups discussion forums, it made us helpful and felt us like having offline classes in ALP.
Were you tensed with the changes like lockdown and introduction of new pattern happening around you while preparing for CLAT? How did you overcome this?
Actually, I did not tense, but I took it as a challenge because CLAT 2019 was the easiest, and it was totally a different pattern from CLAT 2020. And I thought I should crack CLAT 2020, and I have did so many readings, which was very helpful in my preparation. So it did not make tensed, but made me so challenging.
Did you see any advantage as a part of ALP that gives you an edge over your fellow aspirants?
As mentioned earlier, we used to have many mocks, discussion sessions, mock analysis sessions, and a whole lot of things which really are helpful and gives an edge over other fellow aspirants.
What was your first thought after getting out of CLAT 2020 examination center?
I thought it was the toughest CLAT, but I thought I cracked it.